The glow plug's all checked out, so it's now time to test the controller and the relay. We'll pull the cover off, and before we disassemble things, we'll do some testing, but this will be done with all the glow plug wires disconnected. Dropping 2 volts across the contacts with no load is bad. With the failure of the voltage test, it is time to remove the whole assembly. The wiring all appears to be in good condition. The controller circuit board had smoked a capacitor. It is scrap. After cleaning the solenoid, it was tested for continuity. It failed. A momentary switch has been installed to ensure that the glow plugs could not be inadvertently left on. 12 volts was sourced from the fuse box and routed through the firewall and over to the new relay. The new 12 volt red wire from the dash switch has been encased in loom, and the original ignition wire has had a yellow heat shrink placed on it, and it's been secured for future use should we ever put a controller back in. At the same time, a new ground was connected for the solenoid, and the original dead controller has just been used as a place to mount the new solenoid. All finished. Cover back on.